Hi, and welcome to another phonetic sounds video. This time we're focusing on the sound I. I. To make this sound, you relax your mouth. It's a little open but not rounded, so kind of flat, and your tongue is relaxed and flat inside your mouth. I. I. So I have a couple of words here. See you in Paris. I. So let's take a look at a few words that have the sound I in them. Okay, a great example of the sound I is English with Jill. There's 4 I sounds. English with Jill. Insect, insect. Ship, ship. So this time we have a limerick to practice the sound I. There are 2 words in this limerick with the I sound. Chin, chin, and pin, pin. So let's have a listen to a limerick to practice the sound I. There was a young lady whose chin resembled the point of a pin. So she had it made sharp and purchased a harp and played several tunes with her chin. As with all sounds in English, the spelling and the pronunciation don't always match. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. So as with the words on my shirt, sometimes you see the letter I and the sound is I, like in Paris. But it's not always so. So here's 4 words with different pronunciation for the letter I. 6, 6. 5, 5. Ski, ski. Pencil, pencil. And sometimes you see totally different letters, but with the same pronunciation I. So look at these words that all have the sound I in them, but the spelling is different. England, England. Business, business. Gym, gym. Women, women. Mountain, mountain. But let's get back to the sound I. So now it's time for a tongue twister that has the sound I in. Feeling ill or feeling well, Phil will hardly ever tell. So the best way to practice this sound I is to tell everyone about English with Jill. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound I in English. For lots more videos of different phonetic sounds in English, more tongue twisters, limericks, and lots of pronunciation practice in English, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, either here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Going to the gym will help you work out those muscles. Going to the pronunciation gym will work out your English muscles. So just a little bit of practice every day will help improve your pronunciation and in turn improve your English listening. So head over to the gym now for a little workout of your English muscles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.